Hello and welcome to the channel. This is DIY Queen. If it's your first time seeing me, hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm a Nigerian womenswear designer based in the UK, and in this series I'm going to be taking you guys through the process of creating the most playful and over-the-top dresses. But there is a catch. My budget is £25 only, which means I have to work magic somehow and create these designs. You do want to subscribe now, like now, so you'll be the first to know every single week when a new episode of this series drops on the channel. And let's go shopping. We need to get fabrics, right? We need to get trims, we need to get all that we need. Come along with me as I get all the supplies I need to create the first dress in this series.
What is it like when you go through the fabric shop? What's that like for you?
I don't know how to explain it. It's like I get excited and inspired at the same time, because sometimes seeing a fabric inspires me to make something with that fabric. Other times I'm going to look for a particular material for a design I already have sketched down or in my head, or for a collection or for a client. So it really depends on like the day and what I'm looking for. In this episode, we're going to be attempting to make a one-shoulder loose fitted gown with a faux feather trim. So let's go grab all the materials we need to create this dress. We have arrived at Shepherd's Bush Market, which is a popular street with several fabric shops behind me. I have my £25. I literally had to withdraw the cash, and I hope it will be enough for all of the materials I need, so follow along. Yeah, I think this orange one would be nice. It might be a bit bright, but I think that would work. How much is it per meter? The flow is nice. You will sell 9. Well, I ended up not finding the fabric I wanted in the first shop, so we went into another one. I believe this was called A1 Fabrics, and the attendant here was really nice. I snooped around a bit before I started to see some options that could work price-wise and style-wise. To say, oh, hello. Wow, I get so distracted easily. It's actually crazy. Green. Okay, I think I found the orange. It's at the back. Yeah. I don't want to break everything. Yeah, here. Yes, I think this one would work. Yeah, this would work. How much is it? $9.99. No. But why? I didn't see any price on it though. I think it's Duchess.
Duchess $9.99.
Yeah. Last price?
$9.98.
$9.98. I tell you, it's not just weak. You don't need to spend a lot of money to create something that looks really beautiful and something that is well made. After a while, the store attendant showed me this bridal satin that just felt a lot lighter and flowier and less expensive compared to the Duchess satin that I wanted initially. The huge debate was how many meters I needed and if my budget could cover that quantity. I knew the perfect dress length would be 2.5 meters, but the guy was not bold, and I needed to get the full feather trim as well to add that extra effect that the dress design has. We had to meet each other halfway. I ended up getting 2 meters of the burnt orange bridal satin and 2 meters of the full feather. After plenty beg, we made a deal, and I ended up spending £25 for everything that I got from this store. I'm going to pay him. Thank you so much.
No, 25 on the page.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. We have secured the bag. Thank you. Thankfully, it wasn't too bad. We only had to go into like 2 shops. And because I knew what I wanted, I was like quite specific on the fabrics I was looking at. I got distracted here and there, but it wasn't very difficult, thankfully. With my fabric and trim in hand, I'm going to go ahead and cut out this dress design. It is pretty straightforward. I have folded my fabric in such a way that I have a folded edge on top, and I've just marked the curved hemline that goes from the bottom all the way to the side. I'm also going to go in to cut out the neckline of my dress, which is a 1 shoulder neckline. This I am going to be stitching up on the side, the open side seam, and then I'm going to hem around the neckline, around the hemline, which essentially just means folding and stitching it so you have a nice finished hem. And then I am going to mark an A-line silhouette along this side of the dress on the right side of the material, and I'm going to stitch it in such a way that I leave an opening on the top for the arms to come out. The last step is going to be adding the full feather trim to complete the dress design. I had an amazing time creating this dress and I look forward to wearing it as well. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and leave your comments and suggestions down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye. Reduce the amount of trims at the bottom. Yeah, this one, it's because it picks up some of the blue from that fabric. Green, this mint green.